Welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today, we're going to show you how to stop redirects in Google Chrome quickly and easily. Step 1. Open your Google Chrome browser. At the top right corner, you'll see the three-dot menu. Click on it to open the drop-down options. This menu is where you access most of Chrome's settings, so it's important to know where it is. Step 2. From the drop-down, select Settings. This takes you to the main settings page where you can customize how Chrome behaves, including managing redirects and pop-ups. Step 3. Look to the left-hand side and click on Privacy and Security. This section controls how Chrome handles your data and online interactions, which is key to stopping unwanted redirects. Step 4. In the center of the screen, find and click on Site Settings. This option lets you manage permissions for websites, including pop-ups and redirects. Step 5. Scroll down until you see pop-ups and redirects. Click on this option, and you will see a toggle switch labeled Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Turn this on to block sites from automatically redirecting you or showing pop-ups. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tech tips.